Hello there, homeowners, property management companies, and commercial building owners. Looking for top-notch roofing services? Meet A1 Roofing's KangaRoof, where we fix leaky roofs. Here at A1 Roofing's KangaRoof, we specialize in both residential and commercial roofing services, whether it's a new roof, roof repair, or routine roof maintenance. Our team is dedicated to providing you with good quality workmanship and customer service. We also carry an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau for 19 plus years, and we have over 100 reviews on Google with a 4.8 rating. We entice you to not just take our word for what we're telling you here right now, but go and check us out yourself to confirm what we're saying to you is true. We also understand the unique needs of homeowners, commercial building owners, and property management companies. We ensure that your property is protected from the elements and looking its best. So if you're ready to experience the KangaRoof difference, we entice you to go to our website, KangaRoof.com, and let's get started on a roofing project for you today. A1 Roofing's KangaRoof, where we hop to it.